Greetings. Today, may I stop to think about how which part me would be if God never show me love when me no deserve. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to find out about the love where God give, when none of we no deserve, just click the like button now and drop one comment below and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you not do it yet, do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to Timothy, chapter 1, from verse 12 to verse 17. Me have to thank the Lord Jesus Christ, the one who give me strength cause he trust me to be my apostle. He pick me, even though me used to curse him and tormenting people them. Though me did wicked, him did still good and kind to me. Cause him say, them time there, me never believe in him. And me never really know what me did I do. Jesus Christ, we Lord, did show me love, even though me never deserve it at all. Him cause me to believe in him and to love people. Now, listen me good, cause when me bout to tell you, I no lie, but I choose something where the whole of we fi take and believe. Jesus come in the world to save sinner. Look for me. I did the worst kind of sinner. And God saved me. God did good to me. So Jesus Christ could have shown how he take time with people. Jesus put up with somebody like me. So other people were going to believe in him and get to live forever and ever. We see him really take time with people. So respect and praise to the King. We are going to be king forever. The only God, the one we can never dead and where we can't see with we eye them. Praise to him forever and ever. Amen. I got all this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.